Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Yoga Top 11 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the notification panel and to add here some options. So if you want to remove some of the available options here or just to change the positions of the icons on the panel, we should click here to this edit icon. And you'll see here this down section with invisible options. For example, that just to change the alarm, we should hold it and drag it here to this subsection. By the same way, you can add here just all of the sub options if you want. To remove some of them, we should hold and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons here, by the same way, hold it and drag it by this way. Then just click to go back to save all the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.